Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert an image in any shape in Illustrator. So very easy way. Firstly select and draw your shape. Now click here in this third button, draw inside. Also you can use Shift plus D. So select it. Now here you will see some dots. Now click on File and click on Place. Select your picture. Draw and drop your picture size as your shape size. Click on the selection tool. Manually adjust the size. Also you can rotate your shape. Now click anyway. Click on selection tool again. Now you can keep anyway. You can adjust the size. So this is the way you can insert an image into shape in Illustrator. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.